fruits and homemade ice cream.
Wow.
Ano po ulit?
Homemade pastry. Pastry namin kami gumawa, yung roll niya. And then, of course, Philippine banana with jackfruit.
Wow! Ito naman po ay yung leche flan.
This is not ordinary leche flan. This is with cream cheese. So, ano po ito? Cheesecake.
Ang taray na presentation.
Cheesecake flan.
With
This
cream
is not
cheese.
sweet, ma'am. Balance lang po yung ano. And it's not soft.
Madam, can I get
Lagyan natin ng ganyan para ano. Ayun lang. Ayun lang. Tusay. I love the ice cream and the dito.
Yung ice cream na, homemade ice cream po yan, ma'am. Vanilla flavor. Hindi po yan na...
Ano rin yan ate? Homemade.
Apo.
Kasi ice cream.